guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
White legs.
Got C16 for the first gen. We're gonna put the FD in.
Alright, kill mode. Alright, Jamie, so what did we figure out today?
So the switch off voltage was a little high because see, like right now it's sitting at 0.4 volts. So we had set it at like 0.3. Well, while you were sitting there playing with it, it'd sometimes be at like 0.02 or 0.07. So we just put the switch off voltage at 0.01, so now it won't ever actually get there when the button's off.
Yeah, and now it actually only work when we hit the button.
Yeah.
Sick. Just that little thing.
Yep.
Back at it again. Literally just put 5 more gallons of C16 and the car went lean. So basically we were having issues with the injectors the whole weekend and it's happening again, so we just have to go back into the map and add gas again, and hopefully it's enough to get the car down the track.
We're just gonna wing it.
Top end quarter mile. Awesome, look at that. 209 miles an hour. Never give up, Joe Grannis says.
Now we got. Now we got a passenger seat. They're trying to disqualify John because he doesn't have a passenger seat for his class, so you know now we got a passenger seat.
Hey, thanks Project Prime for the chair.
Yeah, man. Who was complaining, man?
Things happen, right?
Yeah.
It's alright, we'll get her figured out.
Yeah. We'll make it happen. We'll make it happen. First for you guys too? What's that? First for you guys too?
Yeah. First for us too.
We're gonna make this happen. As long as we have fun, right?
That's all I care about. I just like to race.
Hey, just have fun, remember?
Oh yeah. Can't stop before he gets mad, we get it done.
Hey Kyle, you getting in it?
I'm down.
John got disqualified already because of the seat. Whatever, they disqualified him. We're still gonna make the pass, fuck him. I told him just let you make the pass, whatever. Yeah, 11-2. Dang it.
It's alright, man.
He made an A to B, but it spun really bad. What are you doing? Brett, stop being scared to it, man. Leave it there.
I'm holding
There it goes. Leave it, leave it, leave it. There you go.
I was holding it, dog.
There you go.
I'm committed.
There you go.
There we go.
We're gonna go back to the pit area. I'm sure John's bummed. The car went super sideways.
Made it.
We made it. Car went sideways when you launched it.
I still
like,
kept on it.
yeah, like super bad. So that was that pass was a bad launch, but he still sent it. You know, made it A to B. You know, we got disqualified anyways for the not having a passenger seat, which I think is like dumb for a stick shift class. But you know, whatever. We'll keep on going. What, it hit boost cut?
Hit something.
Now
we got data log, so let's open it up.
Finally got some data logging in this car to see what it was doing, because it launched really good. The 8 mile was there, but once it got to the 3rd or 4th gear, it basically just fell on its face. So one thing I found out is that we actually ended up hitting boost cut. So if you look up here, we hit 41 pounds, basically hitting at 6,000 RPMs. So what happened is like as soon as the engine went up that high, it got cut off, and the boost cut was set to fuel cut. That explains why instead of backfiring, it just kind of lost power. So take that out. Added way more parameters for the deluxe. You can actually get like the fuel pressure, AFR. So next time we can actually see what it's doing. But for now, I mean, we just like basically now we know what the car is doing. 41 pounds, the car leaves crazy. We have to turn it down because it was spinning out the whole way. But I mean, the car has power. Well, yeah. So we're not even two-step. I was just free revving, and once I launched, it launched at 20 pounds. So that was way too much. We were launching at 14 pounds the whole time, and it was actually hooking. 20 pounds literally skated the whole 60 foot on the car. So it did a 1.760 foot, but it still did a 7.18, which Mike did a 6.98 hooking, not even spinning. So the car would have made a really fast pass. Unfortunately, we fell out of qualifications because we got DQ'd for not having a passenger seat. So next time, pretty much.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey Mike, you ready to take your pass?
Yeah, I'm ready to make my pass. This is how we're gonna launch it right here.
Back to FL2K, back to the pits.
Let me help you out. Let me help you out.
We actually found out that there was someone crying to the pit guys. That's why we got DQ'd. Cal also got DQ'd, and another MR2 got DQ'd because the guy was just basically being a baby.
It wasn't the Mustang guy.
Yeah, it wasn't a Mustang guy, it was someone else. So we're out, even though we were slow anyways. But car went 41 pounds. That's just crazy. It felt crazy before it was good. But now Mike is up. This class is weird. You just go against anyone you want. And there's a bunch of sandbaggers that are way faster than they actually say they are. So the car is back on E5. Yeah, so we put the car back on E5, and we're just gonna pedal it. Basically, just like get in front of them and just play with them. So they don't have the basically the top end that we have, and that's basically the plan. And hopefully not break out going too fast. Oh shit!
Hold on. I finally came to see you guys run.
Yeah, well you missed me running. I got disqualified. I didn't have a passenger seat or carpet.
You got disqualified for that?
Yeah. Hey, what's the plan?
Sandbag. A lot.
Don't break out.
I have to pedal it a lot. That car's actually really fast. So as you guys heard, first, second, I let it go, but I noticed I was way too far ahead of him. So third and fourth, I was pedaling the whole time. Hopefully we didn't break out. Oh, alright, we lost. We broke out of the 11.5 class. So he broke out too, but he broke out less than us, so you know that pretty much takes us out of the class. Also, I found out why we broke out so hard, even though we were pedaling it. That was a 1.460 foot. It sucks to suck. Like, you know, we need to put this car with a cage so it can be in a faster class.
Bro, your launch was
The 1.4.
You're an idiot.
So
You're an idiot.
I thought if I kept like half a car in front of him, I wouldn't break out. But both of us broke out of the 11.5 class, but he broke out less. So I had to pedal third, I had to pedal fourth. Like, if I would have stayed on it, it would have been a 9-second pass.
So I saw you did a 1.4, so that dampening helped, huh?
The 1.48. So we adjusted the dampening, and it actually improved it to a 1.4.
It didn't even hop, it just took off so hard.
It ran a 7.1, but I was pedaling third and fourth. So I think what we got to do is we got to put a cage, and we got to take this car to a quarter mile and run a 9-second pass, because obviously, like, me having to pedal third and fourth, it may, you know, it's not meant for that.
Yeah.
So, but the 60 foot, that's the impressive part. It's still the stock rear end. It's still on the stock axles.
Sick.
So stock rear end, stock axles, 1.460 foot.
Wish I could drive like you, Mike. Mike, I wish I could drive like you, Mike.
You just gotta need practice. Like, a lot of people, they give you shit about drag racing, but put me to drift, I'm gonna be the same way. I haven't done it enough. You drift, I don't. I drag race, you don't, but at least you're trying, and that's what counts. You need to get out there and you need to practice on both. So we're gonna do some videos of me drift, like learning how to drift, and John's he's gonna pick up the drag racing.
Yeah, so like this thing, if I learn how to drag race, you're fucked.
Yo,
so that thing's 41 pounds.
This car left at 20 something pounds.
Yeah, left 28 pounds left the line.
And hopped and went sideways.
Yeah, and it hit 41 pounds 4 times and didn't blow up. So this thing has like an 8-second in it. Once it stopped raining,
Yeah.
you finally want to do the grudge match? You don't want it?
What grudge match?
Version versus FD?
You don't want it.
You ready?
You don't want it.
I'll turn it down just for you.
Okay, you can put the 40 pounds.
How do you explain this engine? What is done to it?
Alright, so this engine is still the same engine from Build and Battle. As you guys know, it's a stock engine. The only thing it has is elite studs, and that's just like the tension bolts. You know, no pinning, no oversized studs, none of that stuff. So this car is actually running currently 41 pounds on a stock block. No modifications, no nothing. It's still like stock thread size, no oversized studs, none of that stuff. And it's handling, and it's been 2 years.
But the main reason too that people don't know, REWs are strong, so
Yeah,
you really don't need a.
engines are strong.
Yeah.
If it's an FC engine or an FB engine, it would have broken already. Like it would have cracked the plate. But since it's a 93 RX7 engine, they hold up a lot of power.
All right, so let's see.
A lot of boost also.
Let's check that cold start out after 41 pound pull.
Now start it again. That's how you do it.
Oh my god.
Don't whiskey throttle it.
Oh my god.
I don't trust this shit, bro.
You're halfway there.
Scary as shit.
Don't stand back there.
You have to go faster at it.
I ain't gonna fucking faster at it.
John, you do it then. Give me the camera. You do it.
All right, shit.
Do it. Let John do
We're
it.
gonna have to
Can't
push
flip
it
it.
up.